Guys just spent like 1 lakh. Hey, what's up guys, I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna be buying some riding gears, jackets, riding pants, boots, etc. So I'm gonna meet up with my friend, and then from there we'll go and buy it. Like we have to go around like 5 kilometers, I guess. Let's see.
Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away. You can walk away, you can walk away. Something in my mind makes me think I ain't nobody perfect.
Okay, I'm currently waiting for him to come. Let's see, he's gonna be here in like maybe 2 or 3 minutes, hopefully. Okay, that is my friend right there. We are currently going to the shop. So I'm not the one who's buying the gears, it's him who is buying the gears. I might have done a bit of clickbait over there. So please don't scold me or just hate me for that. I had to do it, you know. So this place is called as HSR Layout, if anyone doesn't know or whoever doesn't live in Bangalore. This is one of the known places in Bangalore. Stealthy, oh, this only. It should be. Yeah, right? That's what I thought.
This is out of place.
Yeah, it should be right over here. Yeah, should right over here. Have the small size or what? Yeah, try that then. Okay. Fine. Okay. Let's try walking. ZX 10R.
ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೋದಲ್ಲ.
AGV they don't suggest that you do that.
So my guy just spent like 1 lakh on his gears, 2 saddlebags, 1 tail bag, then a tank bag, then AGV helmet that he's wearing right now, and a Senna 30, and riding boots, a jacket, Rynox jacket, and Rynox pant. I guess it's about to rain and I might have to keep my GoPro inside.